Hey, can we go back to the water and look at those molecules? Yeah, those. What are they made of? The molecules are made of atoms. Atoms are made of a core and some electrons. The core is made of protons and neutrons, both of which are made of quarks. They're strange yet charming from up top down to the bottom. Oh yeah, there's some more stuff, like for example the overweight brothers of the electron. All of this together makes up the Standard Model, which we believe to be the smallest things in the universe. At least that's the excuse we have for not knowing what quarks are made of. Fun fact, depending on the number of protons in the core, you get different elements. Depending on the number of neutrons in the core, you get different isotopes of the same element, most of which are a little overweight and very unstable, so they fall apart into smaller atoms. That releases ionizing radiation. Not so fun fact, that stuff will kill you. If you have a large group of atoms, you can predict when half of those will have fallen apart. That's the half-life. Depending on how unstable an isotope is, it will survive a certain amount of time. Some don't want to live, some really don't want to live, but some will live far longer than you probably will. Oh yeah, did I mention that light is like the fastest thing in the universe? To be exact, 299,792,458 meters per second in a vacuum. That is pretty fast, said everyone. Also, light is a wave, said everyone. Why? If you shoot it through two teeny tiny slits, it creates a fancy pattern due to interference, which is just a wave thing. You see, when two waves cross, they can add up or cancel each other out. These gaps are the spots where they cancel each other out. So in this case, light behaves like a wave. Nah, screw that. Everything you know is wrong, said Albert Einstein, probably smoking crack after hearing about the photoelectric effect and discovering that light comes in tiny packets called photons. I sure hope that doesn't unravel a whole new area of physics.